Hello, this is the Fatherless Millennials channel. I'm here to show you how to do all the things our fathers didn't teach us how to do. Today we're going to be hanging heavy objects from the ceiling. So maybe you have a plant that you want to hang from the ceiling or a chandelier. I'm going to be hanging these really cool antique chandeliers that I got from a flea market. And so what I'm going to be using today primarily is toggle bolts. So you want to make sure that you buy toggle bolts that are rated for a weight that will carry the capacity, to capacity, what you have to hang. You're also going to need other pieces of hardware like these S-hooks and these rope loops. Make sure that they're also rated for the same weight that the item is that you're going to be carrying. And for tools, you're going to need a drill, a screwdriver bit, and you're going to need drill bits to make the holes for the toggle bolts that I mentioned earlier. So let's get into this. So I picked my spot where I would like my chandelier to hang, and I got my rope loop and I put it in that spot and I just made a little mark right where I want that to hang. Then I'm going to go ahead and get the right size drill bit for my toggle bolts. It says it on the box what size to use, and I'm going to make a hole where I made those marks. So with toggle bolts, you need to pre-thread it through the part you're going to be putting it on before you shove it into the wall. So you put it through and then you get the wing part and thread it right into where it needs to go. Just like that. Now we're going to be getting this, we're going to be putting it into the hole that we drilled, closing the wing part, pushing it through the hole, and then inside of the drywall it's going to open up and then we can just tighten it right up there. Next step is you just close these wing parts and shove them right up into the holes like I explained earlier. Push it all the way up so that it opens up on the inside, and then when you know that when it doesn't pop back out, that means it opened up properly, and then you can just screw this all the way up. We got our screwdriver bit, so let's just put them up. Nice and tight. Next part is pretty simple. I just get my S-hook, put it on the chain, and then I hang it up on my rope loop. There you go. So I'm just gonna repeat the process and do it a couple more times to make my chandeliers look staggered and really cool, and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Hey guys, I hope that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask me in the comments below. Like and subscribe. This is the Fatherless Millennials channel, and I'm looking forward to helping you with your next home project.